So in this video we will learn example number tips number 20. So whenever you are asking something to ChatGPT for better clarification, for more information, for detailed information, what you can do is you can ask ChatGPT to provide examples or any case studies that will be simplify your answer. So whenever you are asking anything about any topic, so what you need to do, you need to ask ChatGPT that please provide examples so that I can understand. Please provide case studies so that I can understand. Okay. So here it is, explain digital marketing. If you are asking to ChatGPT that explain digital marketing, so it will provide a broad idea what is digital marketing, how it works, which industry will get the benefit out of it. So all the detailed information it will provide. For knowledge purpose, for idea purpose, you can you write this prompt and you can get the idea out of it. Okay. But if you want to get some specific response from ChatGPT, you need to modify your prompt, as I told already earlier. I told many times, I think. So how you can write, explain digital marketing strategies with examples of successful campaigns from leading brands. Okay, so what you are asking, please explain me the digital marketing. Okay, explain me with example. You need to provide example, and which example you need to provide me? Those example the reputed brand, the leading brand are following that examples. Reputed brand are following all those things. So give me those examples, give me those strategies so that I can improve my business, my goal. Okay, so here you are telling explain digital marketing strategies with examples of successful campaigns from leading brands. So the reputed brands take the successful campaign from the leading brands and then provide me the example about digital marketing, and then you explain. Okay, this is example number 1. I think it is pretty clear to you. Again, the example number 2 is discuss AI ethics. It's a very general question, general question you are asking to ChatGPT. It's very general question you are asking to ChatGPT. Okay, but instead of that, what you can do is you can tell ChatGPT, discuss ethical consideration in AI development with real world case studies illustrating potential risk and solution. So again, you are asking to ChatGPT that please provide me the examples, or please provide me the case studies. Case studies of what? The real world examples, real world case studies. Which studies illustrating potential risk and solution. That is your additional information you are providing, but the main thing is that you are asking for case studies, you are asking for examples. That is very important. So it will clarify, it will modify your prompt very clearly, so you will understand it better, in a better way. Okay. So example number 3 is describe a business strategy. So it's very general question you are asking to ChatGPT, very broad question you are asking to ChatGPT, that explain the business strategy, describe a business strategy. Instead of that, what you can do is you can write, describe the blue ocean strategy with examples of companies that have successfully implemented in. So you want what? You want the examples of whose example you want? You want those companies who are successfully running it. It is not the case random example you will provide me. You will provide me those examples the reputed brand or reputed company are following in, reputed company are implementing on it. Okay, those example you need to give, those case studies you need to give. So okay, so I think it's pretty much clear to you. Let me go to the practical session. Okay, let me refresh the page or create a new page. Let me explain here. Explain digital marketing. So what it will do is it will provide a generic answer for me. What is digital marketing? For information purpose, for idea purpose, it is pretty good. It is more than enough. It will tell everything about digital marketing. So digital marketing encompasses all marketing effort that use the internet and electronic device. Okay. Search engine optimization, content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, pay per click, PPC marketing, affiliate marketing, influencer marketing, analytics and data. So all the detailed information it has provided. Okay, but I don't want this broad answer. I want with examples, with leading companies, the reputed brand or reputed companies, they are following the same strategy. So I need the examples. So now see the tailored or personalized things you will get. Certainly, digital marketing strategies vary widely, but successful campaigns often share key characteristic. Here is an overview of several strategies with examples of leading brands. Okay, so search engine optimization. Here is the strategy. Here is the example. Example C, the Amazon brand. So you can take the inspiration. Again, content marketing. Who is doing well? HubSpot is doing well. So in that case, you can take the inspiration from HubSpot. Here is the strategy: create valuable and relevant content to attract and engage an audience. Okay, this strategy they are following. Who is following? HubSpot. Here is the campaign. Okay, again, social media marketing. What the strategy you need to follow? Use social media platforms to build brand awareness and engage with customers. Who is doing it? Reputed brand is Nike. Nike is doing the thing. Nike is saying just do it, just do it. This is their campaign, best performing campaign. Again, email marketing. What are the strategies you need to follow? These strategies you need to follow. Who is doing this? Starbucks is doing the brand big reputed brand is doing the same strategy. So you need to follow those strategies. So instead of asking any random strategies, you are asking this. This prompt is very powerful. So you can see it, what kind of content it has generated. It has provided the strategy, it has provided the big brand's name, it has provided the which campaign it's running very successfully. Okay, so it is very powerful prompt. Explain digital marketing. You can replace your content, explain this artificial intelligence, explain this everything you can replace, but you need to ask for examples or case study. That is more important. You need to ask for an example, you need to ask for a case studies. Example or case studies of whose example, whose case studies? The reputed brand, the successful brand which are who are implementing those things, who are following those things. It is not the thing that randomly you can create, you can generate an example or case studies. You take the information from the reputed brand who are running it successfully and provide me those strategies. So it will do the same thing. So it is very powerful. It is very powerful prompt you can use and you can implement it in your business, your objective. Okay, let's go to the so business we have already explained. So now go to the discuss AI ethics. Let me go. It is very broad question I'm asking to ChatGPT, so it will provide a generic answer. Bias and what is it? Fairness, then transparency and accountability. It is very good for information purpose, idea purpose. As I told several times that if you ask a general question, it will provide a generic answer. It is better for information. It is better for idea creation, but it is not for for ready to use. Okay, bias and fairness, transparency and accountability, privacy, autonomy and control, all the detailed information it has provided. So what is it? It is discuss AI ethics. Okay, so all the detailed information it has provided, so I can take the inspiration from this content and I can create my own content, or for my knowledge purpose, my education purpose, I can use this content. For taking any inspiration, I can use this content. But for this I want some specific answer. The specific answer is this. Specific is discuss ethical consideration in AI development with real world case studies. So you need to provide my case studies so that I can implement it. Real world case studies illustrating potential risk and solutions. Okay, now see, it will provide me the case studies. It will help me to understand those things in a better way. See, bias and fairness. So case studies, Amazon's recruitment tool, risk, solution, all the details parameter. It was given there, risk parameter, nothing it was given. Okay, now see the case studies, Amazon's recruitment tool, risk, solution, transparency and accountability case study, Uber's self-drive car incident, risk, solution, all the details, privacy case study, Cambridge Analytics scandal, risk, solution, anatomy and control case study, China's social credit system, the risk. So if you want to get further information, suppose you don't know anything about China's social credit system, so you can again ask, explain me the case studies of point number 4. Okay, or you can mention, excuse me, explain the case study, explain, you will just write explain and then you will copy this. You can write it here, explain this. It will provide the details case study about your it will explain the case study this topic. Or you can write explain point 4 case studies. Explain point 4 case studies. So it is point 4 or case study, it will explain. Okay, so for this say I am not doing it, but you can do it like that way if you want to get more information about a particular point of that article. Okay, so now I think it's pretty clear to you that how you can ask. So whenever you will ask ChatGPT to provide any information you want from ChatGPT, any output you want from ChatGPT or any other artificial tool, so what you can do, you can simply write, I want to know this for that that is my target audience, or this details I want, but please provide me the examples, please provide me the case studies of what, example of what, for of the successful business who was running it. I am talking about the business, so that's why for the successful business who are running it very actively, who are getting result out of it, who are implementing it, so who are working on this provide their example, provide their case studies. Okay, so it is very important, it is very I would say it's very mandatory. Whenever you are asking something complicated, that time you ask ChatGPT, you tell ChatGPT that please provide me the example or please provide me the case studies so that I can understand it better. Okay, so I think it's pretty clear to you. That's it for this video, and that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Again, I would say practice, create your own example and practice. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.